So weighted carries fall into that all-purpose category, just like a half Turkish get-up, getting yourself up off the ground anyway, really. Your ab wheel, they're really go-to moves that use a lot of different things. In this case, there's 3 different types. All you need is a little bit of space and some resistance. First one is a suitcase carry, you can well imagine. Suitcase is my resistance, shoulders square, tight core, and I'm going for a walk. Keep that core tight, keep that body square. I can switch hands. See how square I am, tight core? That's the suitcase carry. So you're off weighting to one side, your body's resisting. It really gets your heart rate going. It's what we call improving work capacity. Next thing we'll do, the other version is what we call farmer's carry or farmer's walk. Now you've got a weight in each hand and you're going for a walk. It's not complicated. You don't want to take big steps. You don't want your weight's in too close to your body, a little bit away. That helps you determine what's the right weight. Shoulders back. This is the farmer's walk. So the first one, suitcase carry. Second one, farmer's walk. How far do you go? Go 15, 30 seconds to start. You'll see your heart rate get up. Last one, if you don't have the heavier weights, general rule of thumb is you work yourself up for guys to about body weight. That's what you should be the total weight if you can build yourself up over a period of months. Women, it's about 75% of that. But if you have a lighter weight, here's a 10 or 15 work. It's what we call waiter's walk. Same idea, tight core, square, arms straight. Trying not to be tilted or too slanted. I'm trying to stay square. If the weight is too heavy, you'll have a real hard time doing that. This is all nice and tight. This is the waiter's walk. So the two-hander farmer's walk, the one-hander is the suitcase walk, then there's the waiter's walk. Any of them are considered weighted carries, and they'll fire you up in terms of getting your heart rate going and really doing a little bit of everything. So stay tight, nice tight core, small steps, go for a walk.